Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken barbecue. First, select your chicken pieces. Thighs and drumsticks are excellent choices for their juiciness. Next, create a delicious marinade using ingredients like vinegar, brown sugar, and a blend of spices. Ensure the chicken is fully coated, then let it marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally overnight, to infuse maximum flavor into every bite. Now let's get grilling. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your marinated chicken over indirect heat to prevent charring and allow it to cook thoroughly. Remember to flip the chicken every 10 to 15 minutes, generously basting it with your barbecue sauce each time. This helps build layers of flavor and keeps the chicken moist. To achieve that perfect barbecue finish, continue cooking until the internal temperature of the thickest part of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. For a beautiful caramelized crust, move the chicken over direct heat for a few minutes on each side. Once cooked, transfer the chicken to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring tender and flavorful results. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade chicken barbecue. Serve it alongside your favorite classic sides, such as creamy coleslaw or baked beans, for a complete meal. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of wood chips, like hickory or applewood, to add unique smoky notes to your chicken. For more great tips and deals, and to check out a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to look in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.